Let's take a look at how many cups of brown sugar here are in 1 pound. So we're looking at cups of brown sugar per pound. The answer? There are between 2 and 2¼ cups of brown sugar in 1 pound. But here's the thing, when you're measuring brown sugar, it needs to be packed. So typically if you kind of firmly press the brown sugar into the measuring cup, and then when you turn the measuring cup over, it should retain the shape of the cup. So that's how you pack that brown sugar. And so here, this is a bag of light brown sugar, Domino light brown sugar, and they have dark brown sugar. Really, the volume stays the same between them, so you don't need to worry about that. This is also a 2-pound bag. That's how sugar usually comes. So for a 2-pound bag, since it's 2 to 2¼ cups per pound, it would just be double that. So 4 to 4½ cups for this entire 2-pound bag of Domino sugar. And if you need a good set of measuring cups, these come pretty highly recommended.